Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to insert image into circle in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, create a new layer, then click the shape tool, right click on your mouse, click elliptical tool and use stroke color. I use for red. You can do not use this stroke color as you wish. Okay, then press enter and hold shift, click and drag on your mouse, then for fix size or do not hold shift for this custom size. Okay, I use fixed size, press Ctrl T. Okay, then go to file, open and open your image. Okay, then select an image, double click, right click, create a clipping mask, press Ctrl T. On your keyboard, hold shift, click and drag on your mouse, then again hold shift or this fixed size. Change the stroke color or size. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.